Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another film simulation recipe that I wanted to share with you, and this one actually comes from a new website that I discovered, and I really encourage you all to check it out. It's created by Justin Gould. He's a photographer out of England, and I found him on Instagram actually, and he had some amazing photos right up my alley in terms of the nostalgic look. If you've been following along the channel, you kind of know that's the kind of the direction a lot of the simulations that I share go into. The last video I shared on the channel, if you haven't caught it yet, you can look at that. That was one of Justin's recipes, and he's got a website that has almost actually right now about 200 different film simulation recipes. Now, some of them are created by him, some of them are created by the Fujifilm community, and he obviously gives credit wherever credit is due if he's based his recipes on someone else's film simulation to start with. So just a great website, and just a ton of recipes to check out. So I've got my list now for these next few upcoming videos, that is for sure, but I wanted to share this one. It is called Kodak Like It's 1975. I went out to the beach, did a little bit of beach combing, just walking around. It's been nice weather. The weather finally has been cooperating to get outside and go for nice strolls, warming up, which is great. So check out this film simulation. Again, all of the photos are taken using my Fuji X100v, straight out of camera, just JPEGs. Other than a little bit of cropping on the odd image, that is it. Just a straight out of camera JPEG. So thanks Justin for sharing that film simulation recipe, much appreciated. If you're looking to put this in your camera, I will leave it down in the description below so you can check it out, and I will also leave a link to his website. There is a ton of recipes to check out there, so I encourage you to do so.